In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Gidjit Beacon, which we have right here. First thing I'm going to want to do is launch the Gidjit app. I'm going to select the plus button and select the beacon. I'm going to give it a name, and then I'm going to head and hit this scan device code, which is located on the back of the beacon. Then I'm going to select done and go back. There it is, there's a new beacon. So now I'm going to add some actions to it. So I want to select the panel. The top part, this displays the current distance. The cutoff distance, this is adjustable. This is where you can tell it, how far of a range you want to reach. So you can decrease it or increase based on the size of your room. And then below that is two other things, which is the reminders. That's where you receive some kind of reminder when you exit or enter a room. And also the HomeKit scene. So you could have it where HomeKit scene goes off when you enter or exit the range. And you can even do that by a time of day, but I'm going to do that in a second video. For now, I'm just going to assign some apps and actions. First one, I'll just do news. Then I'm going to do something from the App Store, maybe a music one. Okay. Third, I'm going to do turn a actual device switch on and off. So this one, there's actually a fan behind me, so I'm going to use that. You can change the name here. Okay, going to add a HomeKit scene. Now for this, you'll see that you can actually select your own image. If you select that icon, you can get something from your own saved photo album. You can take a picture. We even have icons available if you hit this custom image, where you can just copy and paste them. But I have something in my camera roll, so I'm just going to use that. Choose it. Done. And then I'm going to add one more action, which is I'm just going to stream the latest episode of a podcast. I'm just going to pick the TED Radio Hour. So now I have 5 actions. If I hit go back, those are the 5 things I have. I can launch an app, launch the news, turn a fan, which is behind me, on. You may have heard this switch, and off. It's a good night scene. We'll turn the lights off, but you won't actually see them right now. And then even stream the latest episode of a podcast. But actually, I'm going to turn that off for now. Up here, you'll notice there's a green bar. Green represents it's a favorites, which means you can access it from the search screen. But actually, in the next update, it's going to be a green star over here. So if you go back and you want to access your search screen, you just swipe right, and those are the actions. So now I can, turn the light on, or the fan on and off. So go back to the App Store. Again, that was just adding some of the apps and actions and configuring a Gidjit Beacon. In the second video, I'll go into more detail of some of the more intermediate stuff. All right, thank you.